Why is it so hard to build good habits, but so easy to fall into bad ones? Why do some people become successful step by step, while others keep repeating the same mistakes? The secret is not motivation, and it's not talent. It's tiny habits repeated every single day. In the book Atomic Habits, James Clear explains how improving just 1% every day can completely transform your life. In this video, we will be talking about first chapter of the book. Small habits create big results over time. Many people think success comes from big changes. But the book explains that tiny improvements done every day are what truly change your life. If you improve just 1% every day, those small improvements compound and become huge results after months or years. But the opposite is also true. Small bad habits repeated daily slowly lead to big problems. Example that reading 10 pages daily gives you finish many books in a year. Eating a little junk food daily slowly harms your health. Success is not about one big moment. It is about small habits repeated consistently. According to Atomic Habits, that big success doesn't happen overnight. It is the result of tiny habits repeated every single day.